It's my birthday!
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it.
It's my birthday, I must spend my money. Wrapping up my skincare and morning routine, and then I dress up and head out for lunch. Today, as you all know, is my birthday, and yeah, I don't know, I'm planning on wearing either a dress or a pair of jeans. I have two options here, but thinking I'll go more with the pants. But the pants, let me just show you guys the pants that I was saying. I think I showed you guys those pair of pants in my last video. I went to the tailor and I mended the zip, so I think I'm gonna wear those pants with like a white shirt and heels. I think that will go really well, because I was planning on wearing this dress. Guys, the dress that I was planning on wearing is kind of like, I've worn it so many times. This is the dress I wanted to wear. Don't mind my closet, it's a bit disorganized, but this is the dress I wanted to wear. So this is a dress. I was planning on wearing this dress or a pair of jeans and a white shirt. So that's it, guys. I want to kind of finish up with my routine for skincare. I've already showered and everything, and after that I'll be making breakfast, and then after that get ready and head out. So yeah, I'm excited. Hey guys, good morning. It's my birthday. Today is my birthday. I'm so happy. I'm excited. So I'm going out with my sister today. Right now it's around 10 a.m. I woke up so early. Like I had so many agendas. Eish. But I'm going to be leaving right now. I'll show you my outfit of the day when I step out, because it's just a plain simple shirt and a pair of white leg jeans and heels. Yeah, I'll share with you, but I'm so excited about this birthday. So we'll be going to a restaurant called, what's the name of that restaurant? So my sister and I will be going to a restaurant called Ankole Grill. We're going to have lunch and then maybe catch up, just a birthday lunch, something simple. So yeah, I'm so excited. Let's go. I'll take you guys along, and I'm starting the vlog here. I hope you are new. If you are new and you haven't subscribed, my name is Dolphin. Please hit on the red button and join my squad. So let's get started. Hello. Hi. Your earrings are nice. When did you buy them? Dubai? No. We need to attend Super Cosmetics. Really? But they have jewelry. They're nice.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take
The lady who can't decide. What do you want to eat?
whoa, no. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're putting on. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine,
We just had lunch. The food was amazing and everyone is so beautiful. Have you guys seen my sister? Period. The person who's behind this camera, she's so gorgeous. I just gave a picture here. And yeah, cheers to new birthday. Cheers to a new year. More money. Yeah. Period. Madam Snapchat. You like Snapchat? Mbona unapenda Snapchat hivyo?
Okay, sipendi, but like kuna kitu inaitwa streak.
Do you know me? I'm not on Snapchat. Like, no, come on. It's not a millennium thing. Kwenda huko. Oh my God. Facebook is a great place. Facebook.
Aje sasa nini hapo?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dolphin. Happy birthday to you. Oh, thank you. Looks nice. Yeah. How was the day?
My day was okay. The place is nice. The ambience is nice.
Yeah.
Cute date night spot. With 100% recommend. Yeah.
Yes, it's a nice place, guys. Make sure you come to Ankole Grill. Yeah. How was your day?
The birthday was nice. Everything was
was okay, and yeah, I just thank God for my new year. Please come to Ankole Grill, guys, if you can. It's such a lovely night, such a lovely space, and I enjoyed everything. It was perfect. 10 out of 10. I would recommend this place.
And that's her outfit.
Oh, my outfit.
Outfit of the
Oh,
day.
I didn't show you guys my outfit of the day. I had this pair of jeans and a white shirt. I'll leave a picture here so that you can see.
But she doesn't run from life. Guns, drugs, violence. Guns, drugs, violence.
Thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in my next video.